Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, we will see how to add business logic to the Azure Function app. So, the previous video that I created was adding a normal curl request and getting a 200 OK status from the HTTP trigger to the normal template that we created, the default template. Now, I will add some business logic code and then we'll check the status of the HTTP trigger function that we created. Okay, let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. So this is our function that I created. This is the HTTP trigger that I added as a function into this function app. I'll open it up. I'll do code plus test. And this is the default template that gets created when you create a HTTP trigger one function. So I'm going to replace it with the business logic code. So I will remove this and paste this code. Right, so it will take an input in the form of the reading, an array of readings to the as the request body, and it will give if the request if the temperature is high, it will give danger, moderate, average. On the basis of different data arrays that it receives. Okay, so I'll click save. It's connected. I'm going to open test run and I will change this as well. I'll paste this. So I am sending a array data as drive gear ID, the temp timestamp and the temperature. Okay, I'll click on run. If you see, the first is okay, the second is caution, and the third is danger, right? This is how you can insert the business logic through any code in the HTTP trigger one function that you define. And to see the result, you click on monitor. Application insights is not configured. If you want to see those results that we ran under the code plus test, you can configure the application insights here and you will get the results in under monitor as well. So if you go there under code plus test again, do you see this? And if you run it again, it is connected. Okay, if you add a data and that is how you see. You can copy it, clear it, stop it, you can maximize it. Okay, so this is how you add a business logic and test the code. So this is, I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.